Hi everyone, I'm George, and in this video we're going to learn how to use can and can't. But before I begin, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. I can speak Korean. 제 호프크라프트는 장어로 꽉 차 있어요. But I can't speak French.
Salut Georges, mon aéroglisseur est plein d'anguilles.
Sorry, je suis... I can't speak French. We use can and can't to talk about ability. For example, I can play guitar, but I can't draw. Ta-da! She can fly, but she can't sing. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. He can swim, but he can't dance. We form a sentence with subject plus can plus verb. For example, I can swim. To make a negative sentence, it's subject plus can't plus verb. For example, I can't sing. Can and can't always stay the same. For he, she, they, you, I, it's always can and can't. To make a question, it's can plus subject plus verb. For example, can you sing? No, I can't. Can you roll your tongue? Yes, I can. But when we use can with a verb, it often sounds like kun. For example, I can sing. Kun. But when we're giving a short answer to a question, for example, yes I can, it sounds like can. We also use this for permission. For example, at school, you might ask your teacher, can I go to the toilet? Here are some more examples. Can I sit here? Can I eat here? Can I dance here? And that's it for today's lesson. Can you make a sentence using can in the comment section? Also, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Bye bye!